Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I'm showing you how to set up a subdomain and forward it to your Fulfill Engine web store. And this is all going to be within GoDaddy. So from GoDaddy, go ahead and select the domain that you're looking to create the subdomain for. So in this case, it's going to be kaizink.com. And next, we're going to go to the DNS tab here, and then forwarding. Okay, and so this is where we're going to set it up. And so the next piece that we're going to need is going to be the current URL for the white label store. So all I'm doing is opening the white label store in Fulfill Engine and just copying the URL from up above. I know it's cutting off, but I'm just going to copy that from the address bar. And I'm going to come back into GoDaddy, and we're going to add forwarding, and we're going to paste in the destination URL right here, and that's what I copied from that address bar. And so the subdomain, we're just going to choose what the company name is for the web store. So in this case, it's going to be P&I. So this new forwarding address will work as pni.kaizink.com, and we're going to keep it as a permanent 301, and we're going to go ahead and click Save. Now, this isn't going to take effect quite immediately, but if you wait about a minute or so, it should start working. So that's it. Thanks for watching.